is Gina with Creative Cake and Candy again, and we are doing part 3 of the chocolate chip cookie dough cake. And we're going to go ahead and put that last layer on there, and then we're going to drizzle some chocolate up on top. So I'm going to go ahead and put my frosting on top, which is the chocolate chip cookie dough. And we're going to go ahead and make a nice layer. Remember to leave that, we like that overhang. I'm going to show you what I mean in just a second. And when I mean overhang is the actual frosting hangs over the bump. Can you see that? Hangs over. See that big old ledge? We like that because it's going to give you a nice sharp edge. And it's going to give it a cleaner look. So, lots of frosting. Completely cover it. So then we're going to smooth it on over. And you're going to see why that ledge is so important in a second. Just get it on there really good. So we're just going to clean it up a little. Make sure that edge is still up on the top. Now we're raising it the opposite way. Before it hung over, now we're pushing it so there's going to be another top ledge here. Because when we clean the top, it is going to get us a nice straight edge. And that's what we're looking for. So just want to make sure that it's all like that. Give it one more swipe. You notice I don't take my blade off. And the reason for that is that's when you make marks. And we don't want marks. I'm just going to clean up some of this bottom, get it off. You notice that I'm actually wiping every time I remove my knife. I actually wipe the knife to make sure that it's clean every single time I start again. See this overhang? That's what we want. If you're missing some, just go back, fill it in, make sure it's completely covered. Whoops. Because we want that overhang. So then we're going to do it again. Try to get a really clean edge. Okay, so I'm satisfied with that. So now I'm gonna clean the top. So I'm gonna take all that excess off. I'm gonna go ahead and take it all off. Some people do it different ways. This is what works for me. Some people use different spatulas. It's whatever works for you. Some people use the lifters. This is what I feel most comfortable with, so that's what I use on a daily basis. It's trying different instruments to see what works for you, though, to tell you the truth. Because I went through so many, I have so many, but these are just one of my favorites. Same with the knife. It's just whatever feels comfortable with you. Whoops, sorry. Okay, so now I'm going to get a napkin. Make sure I have a clean napkin on this hand. I want to make sure this blade is clean every single time, because this is my final cleanup. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. Wipe. Going to go ahead and just clean up the whole top. Right now you can see that there's a bunch of little, I don't know if you can see, a bunch of little lines. When I do this, you're going to see